Creating eye-catching video thumbnails was hard, but we fixed that. With Thumbnail Blaster, creating professional video thumbnails is easy, even if you're technically challenged or don't have any design skills. Just add your video link and our AI algorithm will analyze your video and find the best thumbnail template, and will even customize it with the frame from your video and your title. After that, you just hit publish and update your video thumbnail. Or you can customize any element you want with our intuitive drag and drop editor. You can even customize the text, add emojis, new elements, and tweak everything to perfection with a few clicks of your mouse. Thumbnail Blaster is the perfect tool for YouTubers and video marketers to create eye-catching thumbnails and increase their video views and traffic. Check out the link in the description to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster and our current one-time payment option.